Want to add audio or video directly to your PDF, whether it's a training guide or a digital portfolio or a marketing pitch? Interactive media can take your document from basic to brilliant.
First, open your PDF in Acrobat Pro. You will need the Pro version to embed multimedia elements like audio and video. Go to the panel on the left-hand side of your screen and click Rich Media. If you don't see it there, right at the bottom you'll click on the View More and scroll down until you see it. If you don't, you could also find this in the Edit menu. To embed a video, click Video button on the left-hand side, then draw a box where you want the video to appear. Select your MP4 file or a URL if you're linking it to an online video. You can even set playback options, like whether it plays automatically, loops, or even has visible controls. The same thing for audio. Click Sound, draw your box, upload your MP3 or WAV file. You are able to add a poster image to a video or audio to make it blend in more with your design. Remember, not all PDF readers are the same. So once you have embedded your multimedia into your PDF, remember, for the audio or the video playback to work, your viewer must open the file in either Acrobat or the Acrobat Reader, not in a browser preview.
And just like that, you've taken your PDF from static to stunning. If you want to master more tools like this, book a custom Acrobat training session with Magenta today.